if you are using VLOOKUP function in Excel, you might have observed that it's hard to get the data from left-hand side of the common column. So that issue is resolved with the help of XLOOKUP function now, but that's available from 2019 onwards. So we are just going to see how that XLOOKUP function is going to work with our data. I am taking the example of customer transaction in master file. My master file contains all the personal information about the customers, and customer transaction contains the monthly data. So I need the city and address of those customers here in this sheet, in the transaction sheet. So we'll see how XLOOKUP is going to help us. I'm writing it here, XLOOKUP, open bracket. The way we give arguments is a little different here. So as usual, we give the lookup value, comma. Now here there is a difference. I have to give two arguments, not a single table array. So one will be the lookup array and other will be the return array. So in my master, lookup array is going to be these mobile numbers, comma. And then what do we want in the result? If we want, say, city, so I select city as the return array and then comma. And now we have one extra argument here. What if this result is not found? So you can give your own text here in double quotes. Let's say I write not found. It's a text value, so it will go in double quotes, comma, then exact match or approximate match. So I give 0 for exact match. We can close the bracket, enter, and there we get the city. So as usual, you can just copy this for rest of the city. So had it been a table, then this will spill the data in the next rows. So you will get it in one go itself. So that's how XLOOKUP is going to work. You don't have to worry about the data, whether it is on the left-hand side or right-hand side. It's straight away just you have to give lookup array and the return array. And that's how you can get the result. Now, if you want the data to come in this sheet in multiple columns, so in that case, the return array has to be a multiple column data. So let's see how we could have used this XLOOKUP for that purpose. So I'm writing it again, XLOOKUP, and then we give the lookup value, comma, lookup array is in the master. This is your lookup array. This time, the return array will be two column data, let's say address as well as city. And we give, say, double quotes, not found, double quotes closed, comma, 0 for exact match, close bracket, and end. Now you will notice you don't have to press Control-Shift-Enter to complete the array function because it's already a dynamic array function. So when you give return array in multiple column range, then you get to see the result straight away in this sheet. And as usual, you will have to just copy this result for rest of the column. So it's so simple to use XLOOKUP function in your file.